Hi, I'm Deepshikha and I'm Salesforce Developer at Melonleaf Consulting. My journey here has been truly rewarding one, both professionally and personally. I joined Melonleaf with a strong technical foundation as a Java developer. Over the time, I transitioned into Salesforce, where now I work extensively with CRM solutions, process automations, and flows. What stood out to me from day one was to trust the organization, places, and its people. You are encouraged to take ownership, think critically, and design solutions that genuinely create impact on the client. As I grew up in a lead role, I got the opportunity to work on real-world complex projects and mentors others along the way. The culture here makes that possible. Leaders are approachable, collaboration is constant, and learning never stops. Whether it's exploring new Salesforce capabilities or solving challenges, business problems, there's always support and recognition for good work. What I value most about the Melonleaf is the balance it strikes: high standards, meaningful work, and a positive environment. And you feel proud of the solution you build as a team.